What's up, everyone? I'm here with an amazing hosting a discount deal for my audience. So what you have to do is to simply click on an exclusive discount link. This is an exclusive discount link for my audience, which I have specially gathered from Hostinger. So guys, again, once you click on exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video, you will be led into a page like this. Now I'm going to show you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount. So once you click on the link in the description, first of all, see around 30 days money back guarantee. It's an amazing thing by Hostinger, which inspired me. And the second thing is look around on the reviews, and then I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can get this amazing discount. But first, let's see the reviews and what people are actually saying regarding hosting. So look around in the reviews. Reliable service, great quality, and the AI tools are very useful. The customer support, Sheila, who connected with me, is an amazing agent. 5 star, 5 star. Everything was so helpful. Professional guide. Almost everyone is satisfied, and this is an amazing thing regarding Hostinger. Scroll below. Hostinger supports Hostinger Horizon, through which you can create websites within seconds. Or Hostinger also supports WordPress websites, and Hostinger also has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to avail this amazing discount, Hostinger is going to manage all of your website and ship that to free of cost. Scroll below, and now you're going to coming to the main part, and now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount. But before you get the discount, I want you guys to do a thorough research of all the plan features function before you opt for any. For instance, I use the premium plan for the first year, and from the second year onwards I'm using the business plan, and you're getting the most discount of the business plan. But again, do your research and simply select that choose plan after doing your research. Guys, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount. So once you select that choose plan, now you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you're going to see Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But this is special exclusive discount for my audience, so I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it. Now these prices won't appear again. This is an exclusive discount deal, so if you are for the 48 months, you are being covered for the 48 months. But again, select your billing period as per your budget, because the maximum possible discount is in the 48 months. So after you are done with your billing period, you can claim a free domain right now. Free domain is valid only for the first year. You can write it over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. After this, see your order summary over here. 30 days money back guarantee is loaded. Now select have a coupon code and write this amazing discount code, which you can find in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. Once you apply this discount code, you can see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Again, this is valid only for the people who click on the link in the description. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get an amazing discount at Hostinger. You can see your 48 months at almost 80%, daily backup free domain, and 10% additional free. So do it's more than 95% discounts. How? It's 81% daily backups at $100. So you can see 105 to 172. So it's more than 95% discount on already running discount deal, which is an amazing thing for my audience. Simply select the continue. You may be asked to create a new account at Hostinger or need to synchronize with your Google account. And after this, you will be landed over here. See your order summary over here. Is your discount loaded? Now write your billing details and simply select the continue over here. Once you write your billing details over here, the procedure is very easy and quick. Now selecting payment method. Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via credit card, you can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and Coinbase. So guys, you have a variety of payment methods to choose. So let's say I'm going to a credit card. I'm going to add a new payment, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And as soon as I select the submit payment, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing discount from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger hosting from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of this offer by opting for this amazing Hostinger discount deal. So yeah, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description, use either of the discount coupon code to get this amazing discount from Hostinger. Good luck with this amazing limited time deals.